In this video, we are going to install floor mats on the front row and second row of this Toyota Sequoia, provided by Smartliner for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Fairly easy to install. Just take your liner and slide it into place. Then you align these retaining tabs and lock it into place. Here we have your nice tight fit. Nice high walls all the way around. Then we have these channels which captures spills and debris. Here we have your front passenger side. Slide it in, align the retaining tabs, and then lock into place. Here we have your precise 3D scan fitment. Nice high wall all the way up. It's a tight fit. Here we have your second row. Simply take the mat and slide it into place. Here is the fitment. Nice high walls. Covers up here, higher up in the carpet. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you more content just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.